Now, can anyone pronounce this for me? All right.
Say up.
Okay. Sit down. And can anyone pronounce this one?
Up.
Sit down.
Question.
Okay.
Ask for the app. Is it application letter or phone app?
We'll get there. Any other volunteer for this one? How do you commonly say, every morning I wake up? Say that again.
I wake up.
And is it not this?
Yes.
So how do you say this?
Up.
And how do you say this too?
Up.
Don't they sound the same?
Yes.
But how come they spell differently?
This is an idea more say graduate.
I con. What's the idea? I see.
Scanashi. Scanashi.
That be life. I don't want to say. If you ask no, my tenants say one. A braille brain in a school, we wasting time. You are wasting from crèche to JHS, SS3. Man, you pay.
Now, this is a common mistake, and that is especially due to the fact that those who taught English first were British, and their pronunciation, it's quite similar sometimes, but there are differences. Where I come from, this is app, and this is up. So there is still a difference between the two, even in the British pronunciation. We pronounce this one up and this one up, which is more or less the same as we pronounce it, at least this one.
Who say they are copy? Of course, I will. Didn't know of course no. It didn't know about school. Who about school say what the bedding?
Money matter.
He's kinda man. Your boss say be pesca was as you so. In your school some the boss say be there. What I say? Kakana yinim na yinim. So what I say? Life no. And you be an anti bedding. You be the abuano. Me kase yitin dem waye. But be a situation e kono boy. One money under what? Time na wo be wi na be wa just say koto aso no. Now nkrofo na no mo cho sign na no mo diskija. What I say?
They still sound very similar, but yet there are differences. Let's say one advantage in this case with the American English is that the difference between these two is more remarkable. We don't say app, we say app. But you don't have to sound it the way I do. That's not necessary. If you are okay by sounding this one app, it's fine because that's also correct. But make sure that whenever you see this one, you pronounce it differently. This is not up, this is up.
What do you imagine? 3 years or 4 years, what spending what has you know? What do you be on Koyeska? Okay, but mommy and son, those matters in school, seminar, come be a brand new school, the new school.
Hey, whoa,
So, spas pine here, you're almost pie.
What's your students who? There was a woman. I never said, sometimes I was here, Jimmy.
We your student teacher need be free on my bar. Say Romeo.
Cultivate me up, I
Bush has one about.
App is like an app on your phone. Whether an Android phone, an iPhone, whatever, that's an app, a brief form of application. But if only you say app, you need to be specific. And you don't get app, you get up. Because if you get app, maybe you got an app on your phone. But if you got up, it means you woke up from bed or you woke up from sleep. Now another example. Here, this one, I guess all of you would say, okay, let me call someone for this.
It's car.
This one?
Yes.
Or this one?
The CAP.
The CAP. Okay, anyone else will pronounce it differently, I guess. Tell me.
My opinion is this one, Kev, and this one, Paul.
Alright. You see, mostly Ghanaians, and I don't want to be offensive because this is not meant to insult anyway. Most of Ghanaians will pronounce this one cap in order to differentiate this from cop. Nigerians, excuse me to say, will call it cop. Okay, but this is cop. In America, we say cop. The O is very open. And this is, let's say, a slang that we used to call the police. So cop is different from cop. And it's also different from cap.
There be no Obama life. Any life. Any see. Any you school fees. I see. I'm school. No problem. The same.
Yo network.
Yo. Na unim bibi kura. Me dia ha me kura ne sa science na ya draw ko trene ne haya ne hune ne haya na bodwe. Eno ya de bobla. Ko tre pass dia. What dey ko he dey wa brabo.
See ebia wo wi akwa ko tre ho.
Minimbo.
Network. Listen. As we did this school now, we have some guys during the day home. Them they end good man.
You that see? One be true. That one
so, one that's this, you know.
Young boys, them they cruise on their wife.
Hey, I'm a cast of
They this school.
Life, you know. When you scar, you are seeing your control. And I wouldn't him. It hadn't you stay your house. My better school.
Up, cup, stuff, mud. And then it may vary depending on which part of the Great Britain or which part of the America or Australia you come from. Some people will sound this one up, which is very close as a tone. And that one is also correct. You choose the one in more easy way. Just make sure you don't confuse it with this one. Another example, it's a difference between staff and staff. You know what this is, right? Staff is the group of workers in a company. Sometimes you see signboards for, let's say, private places in the workplace where they write staff only. It means that any outsider will not be allowed to enter that place. Only the workers can have access to that room. So they write staff only. But stuff, like I'm buying foodstuffs, which is different from stuff.
When you live, Nina and so on say, mo au fuani ntini yoko school na momo na yede nka yebe dewa. Senya au fuana nka mbebe pedewa. Kabana mimi shebe bi kura me yeme mola.
Man, network.
Yo.
One more bra, mommy obeka cho se network one day. One more bra. Obeka cho so wa waste the skin na won. What else? Sabe fro kohwini. Man, you say look sharp. Oko Bible mu krampe wo ho. What I say? O say nshranka do yede. Unmu atwone akenkan. Stand there biem. Despite oko school.
Despite you oko school.
Despite ni ska bia say oko bobo ni degree ne maniema.
Tell them.
Unim koko otin.
Tell them.
Massa, me school no kran me nya krampe na krampo mawie.
So now let's recap it. How do you sound this one? Up, correct? But how do you sound this one? Okay, you again. Up. It's gonna be, let's say, a little tough at the beginning, but as you keep on exercising, you will get more familiar with it. And definitely it's gonna make a nice difference, and everyone who listens to you will see how well you're speaking English. This is one of the few details that really makes a difference. All right, now for the next time, for tomorrow, I want all of you to find 10 words which spell similar but have a difference, like this one, A and U, and are thus pronounced in a different way, like up and up, mad, mud. There are plenty of words out there with that difference. So this is the homework that you're going to do for tomorrow.
That's what someone in your train away also move you so I can't go.
any night it was on your time. I am married. I was going to say time. Okay,
Yeah, it's not hard to say.
oh, it's not Janet. How do you know again? Maybe was small DBC cable Janet. Hey, dirty.
Guys,
I said, service was picture making and Ramadan man presenting in Tentio, Mammy and Buffalo. Meaning the Antigua.
Wow, our report to you.
There was that still has some of the queers. I'm not going to catch us and
Some boys no munyo. See any musuba.
Send me a 10 person.
I'm saying, really.
David, my chunk club more crazy. I would have never.
Be my kasi o kofa ya kwakoto you know what dey boy we tna tna many way boy ti get an kaso e fine get ana me so me won fresh my body say e fine e get akoma born en kono
I was around.
You was around.
Yeah.
so boy bim ana make am say stone boy so o no na say na na ka wona yeah no no
Hey yo.
hi
How are you? Very good.
we are fine
Please, can you repeat
What you said?
what you said?
what can dey no say me man ka say na nkomo na stone boy hon komo ni stone boy
Continue.
na me papa che stone boy so be dress no tunu ma on we tell stone boy
This beam. Somebody did this school.
Only a stone boy fan. Let me say, he didn't need him.
I can't grab him more.
We chom mo.
Lalana.
Ah, we chom be for
Hey, now who don't start it that way?
How do
Hey, who started to come for that?
money so as
you remember you dear ni mo no.
Oba boy for now.
Ah, oba boy for ni bia.
Okay, that's nice.
Rossi.
They be an no moto.
I'm so mo fe watch bi me.
Watch it.
Watch it.
I just the ana nyamela yo.
I know so beti me di ko bia mfrɛ.
Ose.
E ka na me
I just the quite say the star as a wunya aduan so person opam bi
oh,
say.
they say me pa wo ka say nya online. I say ya say.
The way sare ahwa school mo obi anto aduan mo bi o.
Now when your message say when your invitation na. That's it.
Now the star my am fi some money e pa na.
Hey,
What to aguso. Ja, I'm bet.
David me ba maba. E dey na so no way.
See him patching.
Esike me ba na say no dey kura wi.
Patching no any.
Ah, e dey na me so maka kroti boma. Photo see dey na kuta no.
Patching we kura me kura na say obi dey kura na oji.
You people are making me hungry. Hungry. Like,
Class are you?
how are you? Very good, my brother.
Form 1.
Juniors.
Four.
Form 1.
Ha.
Juniors. Na mu juniors mu senior na mo sere no stone boy beam stone boy.
So you are someone and you are laughing at.
You are senior.
Senior we kwa na yan siri wa say
Calm down.
So do what to
Fight me.
senior ba cho mitimi no ko
oh 50 do what to
Fight me.
senior da be ntimi nti
do what to
Fight.
senior we kwa
Very good, my brother.
ntimi no ko senior da be ntimi
obi aduane na waje
Woman
abe
is
say
can answer there. Woman is can.
Woman is say no no.
Eh, me no cham one city no.
Aduan ni say no no.
E mo ni tell you one city. Me mama osika.
No no bet.
Na ko se mu mu ade sa.
Minya ohwe.
Bet.
Sa boy ntimi ni mu na wo no tia obete wo no.
Eh. Mo ko be mo one city tell you one city no.
Dem senior dem nya ya no sisa kwa say.
Na se wa ni so ko tell you the onya ya no kwa.
Botaki. Kan botaki.
Minya mo na wo nya ne zepu nyina asa we ni zepu nyina asa.
Omo na ye ma seniors ye boni o. Koto mo bre me e ye mo e photo city. E mo ni bibia photo city. Mama 5 city koto bra.
me na enkwa na mi
wait.
ti o mase
Botaki na also do to agusu.
Minya ne zepu nyina asa we.
Na so ti school mo na. Na de sister no mba na stream stress no.
What's that?
Stand up!
So I say my father.
Stand up!
Sorry, be na.
Senior Simon sorry na mo tete. Mu wa de wo.
Na antana che bedan.
Hey! Don't talk.
The senior is talking.
Yes sir, senior.
Kneel down.
Edusa.
Go down.
Senior, where do you?
Kneel down, Chama. Kneel down.
Go down.
Kneel down, Biggie.
Oh, here I just bomb me.
I try to talk with me.
Senior, David.
Hey,
Senior,
both. Lie down.
Lie down.
Senior.
I said,
Lie down.
I said,
Senior,
come this way.
I come.
Yeah. Do you something? Try and push me.
Hey, senior. Condition now when they shut down automatically. Impia says you are saying busy.
Seamstress.
Hey. Point of your speech. Point of your speech. Ah, why have you joined Tampa?
What's it? Nana also there can say.
Oh, can say.
But seamstress.
Nana also can say. Nana also can say.
Hey, seamstress. Nana, Abua, me send. Eh, more mama catch away. Some Jimmy na masa say na mo Jimmy no. Yenya suoma na se mo de nam na wo se tete me boa.
Me nya we obeti.
Kakresia me yama ona no wo de ani ni.
Se sinya mpacho de nya na ase esa fa senti se san na me.
Stand up. You guys stand up.
Oni ma de bo we la we me nya boy obeti. We Osman no 5 6 obeti.
Minim da so san o ti o.
Won so su down. Da bia wo na se mo na mko guys do okwa mission no.
Ah, dem na za super ma de. Hwe. Obeka forward afre. Wa boda we start ya che.
O start champagne.
Sad ne ya che.
You dey gun sama.
Jikuta.
Is it your
Consent.
consent?
It's my consent.
Senior mpacho mo asemka.
Why do you want to
Talk me.
talk to me?
Fuck. Wow, who mo bona e dey so be hu mo bon. Ana we say senior. A che.
Hey, why do you look?
Senior say why we gina we ya elfo.
Hey, Biggie, are you out of your senses?
Na say no.
Hey, fuck off from there.
Senior.
Don't you know he's your senior?
Senior mpacho.
Look at the way you are talking to your senior. Stupid boys. Calm down.
This matter is my matter. I count of 20.
Then you run away from here.
Good.
I can't tell them send them one for race band and gugunsa. So land gugunsa.
Bi am pese ni pa e boni, ti dia wo ye ye ti se bi o se mi be di we ni gu o. Na me no je se na me boy ya ma. Me boy ya ma ha na. Ah, mo nye sa.
Mom.
Oh, class way.
One has to see.
Anya hwe
One has to see. I want you in our class about me. What about me?
I want to see you ketia.
I see you. Ah, na sa wo
Ah,
see na to me wa.
why?
I see na to me wa. One na tro ko.
Senior dem. Senior sala la no. Senior mpacho ye. Sala.
What I wait you ko. Eh sa no e.
Senior mpacho dem market na.
Waje sa no.
One na so waje zika na why study sa.
No na so ma o.
Mpacho dem.
Okay.
No problem. Woman 5
Me ma 150 pesos.
Wait you ko.
Senior mpacho. Ti ade bo on ma on so ma nkwan so le. Senior mpacho ni e ko. Project no acha. Why? Ana na say o to so tie you. Why? Ah, go to you. De biara ne to afi.
So won see you.
Slippers so we ni ja share na she shoe.
How is that?
Mani wa se na se ne to ye fi do. Minim asia. De biara ne to abo pampe na se ni keni. Ah,
Ako say na obi aso.
ma o de punish no. Na na punish no. Yo ye ne punish no.
There be tete kwa de bu a wo say am fine.
1,
Very good.
2,
Very good.
3, very good. 4.
Hey! Let me talk. Let me talk.
Mu franco. Ah, mu aye mo dwene nyadwuma wo. Mu conditioner senior ni wo. Mu na mu di no rough. Stupid boys in this campus. Senior.
So, please, oh, 50 years okay. Should I look someone like 6 years? Oh, 50.
As in bisa me peso bi
You my junior, by 50. Talk to me. Should I look like Some boy. Bim. Some boy. Bim. Do I look? Huh? Oh, do I look, sir?
You don't look. Ode yanko. 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 You don't look. Calm down. Calm down. Don't let these people embarrass you this afternoon. You have to prostrate yourself. Okay, you let's go. Everything that magistrate is so encouraging. You know, senior, calm down.
Auntie!
Baby, I'm quite a same now.
That be no, who knows, man? Them name them Suman, and what's more than James and I say, I didn't know just one guy.
Senior, Seku. Namun se bijana mo kunana.
And also you also give me son.
Hey, momo. 39 bobo.
I did what I said, we are so over center of so 20.
And you only my exchange you
as I'm no exchange. Wow,
senior.
Seku.
Oh, there be me.
Feel
I say,
anyway, I say senior, I think I would know.
Fila mai. I mean, this idea no man.
Papu Jina is here, so we are doing a man in the Diana in the call. Sina.
Hey!
Alright.
Fila mai.
And I'm Diana.
Who dear Diana?
What a general munjinche. Fila, muncha.
You move. Memo, Dabio.
Would you mama crabo? Yanko Padumboko. Would you have it? Yes, madam. Okay.
F like
Okay.
flag.
Yes.
F like Diabetes so omo friend BT. Just BT. Wait, is that? Okay. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour.
Yeah, je m'appelle Likee.
Je m'appelle Fifi Robinson.
Let's go.
Okay. So as I was saying, I want someone to give me the phrase of the scenario that I gave.
Madam Mayor.
Speak English.
Madam Mayor first.
English.
Yes, give me.
Hey, madam, please. I would like to ask you a question. Something confused my mind.
Ask me, what's that?
If I say I ate Madam Goman apple yesterday, is it right? The ask question you are asking my question. I said
What you are saying,
yeah.
what you are giving me right now, it's different from what I'm saying.
You said past tense, that's why I said yes.
No,
my first
meaning you didn't understand. Were you in this class? You were seated there, you were just watching me, but you were not understanding what I'm trying to.
He was asleep.
He was asleep.
The way she did that.
He was asleep. Who can explain to him? Who can explain to him what's...
Yeah, me say, master, me share the session pada.
Oh yeah.
Me share ni session o ni papa.
Oh yeah.
Oba school yi first for me for master bi. Na ko ogu me school.
Sure. My son may be now a father. Madam, what's my okay be to your friends? Maybe a school bra crack to me be school of France.
Ah, Bobla.
Ah, me Bobla, my foul teacher. Augusto ni say to
Obeguno.
Oguno. And I'm a chair France president. That was no sir. And I'm trainer there. I'm trainer there, man. Be a conference with the president. I mean, I'm a trainer. Man, be there. Maybe a school no be brave. The whole we are saying, I'm a chair French.
Oh yeah, dear.
The first record, me no be farm me me cool space. Abrofo na be space bi osoro. Yeah, me culture French.
Oh,
I want to from Kwan. One until now come from now. Who you see?
Wow. Ah, when him dear. When him dear.
The French dear. J'avoue pas.
And the master where dear.
Oh.
Me say, what be who said you was.
Me who na na who.
Where the papa?
Yes.
Madam
explain to me what I was.
Madam said she's supposed to give a book to somebody, which she hasn't been able to. So how are you going to say it in past tense? For instance, every question you must ask should be present tense after you bring an indicator of a past tense. Did you followed by what? A present tense. So did you sleep well? Did you eat? And yet did you eat? I'm not understanding. Sit down there. Sit down there.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Come school no dey can you say
madam who them say Rosalinda me na me train me trainer.
Rosalinda.
Yeah. Me na
me train. What kwa nimu?
Rosalinda.
What na train Rosalinda?
I know I Rosalinda.
Oh, why are dear? Why are dear? What kwa nimu?
Abi mu nyina me a. Abi.
Abi na what India no?
Me na ko fa abi free India ba France. Bra me free France abroach man mu nyina na France fo nyina esu. Dr. Likee Rizivu, Razavuji, Rosalinda G. Oh,
then we are blessed.
Oh, just what penny more? Oh, when him dear.
Madam, also,
what Rosalinda dear? Rosalinda dear, can I say okay? No. Hey, what penny more?
Mention madam, and shall nipa dear.
Yeah, this is
the fire me whom I am who's a married. She's very good.
What I was trying to say is mostly people make mistakes, especially even grown-ups. So I'm trying to correct this, which I want my students to learn from this. Most of the times, when people are making a phrase, because listen to me very well, because I'm going to ask you again, and when you make a mistake,
the meaning of the phrase, that's why.
Are you in this class? You are just refusing to learn.
Master, we meeting a swat, master.
Come on, France present.
Oh, Fabiano will be catching.
Madam Diano.
Fabiano was some public catching.
But me, my home, yummy. Yeah.
Why are dear?
I thinking about my country.
Why are dear?
When you get education, try to learn your country, you know, French and Italian.
I'm not bluffing to me, my dear. We are dear. We go home a day. We are dear. Minimum so about me school with the near my best. Dear my best.
Madam, any society, I believe we need not to bother him. Say, Uncle Fan and call.
Send me from one who's so educated. Oh, Madam, we should use school over one.
My poor me poor, a
man will free school.
Hey, now we're anything good. Oh, catch almost a war, baby.
J'avoue, j'ai commandé chez toi.
If you repeat, I will walk you out from my class. I don't like that. I don't like that. You are distracting the whole class. What is that? I don't like that. When I started teaching, before I started, I told you you have to concentrate. When I'm teaching you, you have to concentrate. Before I started, I made this statement before. And now you are sitting there, even whilst I'm explaining it, you are still asking me questions. How can you understand?
Master, when they want you to school, your mommy. She are not coming. Yamina, Mr. Swamana, do make a swallow. It's a master.
Passport. Passport, yeah. Remember, could do holidays for a few minutes. Remember the one I have the
that's what I'm going to
I holidays, maybe not by a course.
Oh, Debbie, I know the Bema, I'm so free school, my brother. I didn't never be the abroad. I feel said the man is here travel, and your master way I can never be any.
I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
What could you have to do? I'm sorry. What could you was said? I got jump up and jump, push me up a book, my son be.
Please, I'm very sorry.
I know you people here in Ghana to be very appreciative when it comes to things like this.
Sir, I didn't know I did well myself, but you did for me.
Yes, I did it for you.
Hey, sir, thank you. Thank you. I didn't know you did for me. That's why I didn't thank you.
All right. Yeah. Well, now that you know it's me, I hope you're going to show proper recognition.
How?
How? You're a beautiful student, a beautiful lady for that issue. And you should be way higher than where you are now.
Sir, no, I can't do it. Why should I do it?
You mean you cannot do it?
I can't do it. My parents told me when I come to school I should read books and learn. I can't do anything with teacher, so I can't do it. I can't do it, yes.
Good, but I'm here to help you. Look, I know that some parents out of concern will tell you that students shouldn't have anything doing with teachers apart from lessons, okay? But look, that's because most of those teachers doing those things don't have good intentions.
Joanne, when me a class what do you want kasa? Go baby on back and shama tire you fin crowd back and once. Joanne, obesa tara na me ansa ma class in there.
What do you miss yama why?
Mimpene. Obesi. Show.
What do you uniform no me? Mama ba why?
Mempe Joanne so we ya no besi am. Obesi ma menyima no nkosi ma de ma. O si no hata ne no de abram. No ma
sha. You sure say to school one no uniform ya ba ko pe.
Joanne ba ko na ye fi.
But here's the case. I have good intention for you. I will help you out.
Sir, I've not grown. I'm small. I can't do this. I'm in school to learn.
You mean this is small for you?
Yes.
Well, it's not small for me, I'll tell you. Look.
Sir, please, I can't.
You need to speak good English. I can give you excellent grade. So, think about it. This is going to help you.
Sir, this one day, I can't think. If I think, well, I won't get answer. I can't do it. I can't do it, yes.
You need to get answer. You see how many times you're making the same mistake, and I'm here to correct you. But you definitely have to do something to show gratefulness. So, get closer to the teacher, and the teacher will teach you well.
No.
O de nya hwe, o de mi je o man de mi pa wa cho, mesi ama why? E pa cho, why? O pa cho.
Sinali, ka ba tse, ka ba condition.
Hello, fine. Mesi ni ko, e pa la tia o for class.
People go too much. Come on for them.
You know your boy. Say it 2 games there. Yes, my
we share ya was a just to you but say I am
don't be jealous of me, man. Always there for your point games.
Mahama, ex-president, old president, president security. Chichi money. Hey, somebody say what do you want? Some will be back as much on us. Would you man? What exactly is going on here?
Because of what you do.
Are you true to assignment?
Hey, you girls, how many times have I warned you not to mingle yourself with the boys? Huh? If you want to have a better future, stay away from the boys. I hope I'm clear with you.
So we are just learning.
And where are your books? You are not serious at all.
And where you must go in now when you movie.
Emma for chow one him to. How do you at that way?
Send them say headmaster. Headmaster is looking for you everywhere in the school. He sets classes. Say said I be jump to us headmaster first. No, Obi akaso opi. You nipa na ehwe ne yebo o de won kwa. Let's say. Umbra. What was you going to say? Teacher Umbra. Unu I just come with you.
Go back to dormitories. Especially you, this girl. You, this girl. Are you people okay? I don't think so. And if you want a better future, you need to always get close to your books. Learn very hard. I don't blame you. You are just wasting the government's money because it's free HSS. I will not tolerate it. I will not tolerate it. If I see you in this act again, you see the other side of me. Go to dormitory. I had the opportunity to put on your face towel for the lady to sit on it. Use the same face towel to clean your face and your sweat. Idiot rat.
Una manjundi kura. Unu unjina homani. Una majudi nu kachira sa unu unjina homani. Na mi fanu ko hema nu kachira mi sa o fe me dia na ko na dia ma. Na ala ofife wa na ofife me. Aya una kachira mi sa master ofife me. Ai do ko master. Ofife wa ko wo na ofife o. Sini na ne nko. Unu unchani. Mi fa unko. Iso wo de chani. Aya una ma ju. Salim sama obi nu ba fa nu ko dia unu mi nu wusa. Mi so mu sa ni jira ma. Hey, master, I'm not going to say, master, they are feminine. Nippon of the third or the third. No, we're not doing that. Live performance. You know, catch them, say, me, not I have a video of my accident.
Yeah, we should shake the beat dance of today. Yeah, I could sing one, this year no just the video. Messi, I could sing one, this year no just the dance of today. Yeah, we should shake the beat dance of today. Yeah, I could sing one, this year no just the video. Messi, I could sing one, this year no just the
The man and me may partition a coffee brown or mobile. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more yo. 3940 on any gang. Checheku and a sheffo. Stubborn boys them day for campus. I'm with me yana like it wolf. Or chair French and I must want it. When I want to cast a conforce a call. Best I could in the class. Over console when you're in the class. Where your boss was a foul to bed your marks. Foul to bed your marks. Elani Jason take me who jatty down on more. To be a democracy. So
don't you know this over?
Yeah.
And what are you doing here?
I couldn't finish up what I was learning during prep, so I decided to check things. That's why I'm here.
Okay. Either way, I could say you're doing good in your academics. And that's a good thing. Compared to your classmates, you know what's going on here. So you should take your book very serious. Considering all the awards you've been getting, I could say for a lady, you are doing very well.
This one here goes to all the high school students. The one here was smash rough, Mommy, I'm born car. What is the campus now? This and for we advice. I saw the shit.
You're doing very well. So I was wondering, wouldn't you love to aspire for the girls' prefect?
Wow. I've also thought of that, and I'll be very glad if I get that position. So I'm working towards it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll give it a try.
Yeah, you should. You know, us handing over to you a sharp brain, yeah, I think it's going to help the school. Yeah, you should. And when it's come to the campaigning, don't worry, I'll campaign for you. Okay. I'm going to campaign for you. Yeah. So if it comes to the vetting, any help you need, I'll be there for you, okay?
We're very glad. Thank you for that.
I'll be very happy handing over to you. The girls prefer is there, but like us handing over to you, especially you being the girls prefer, it's going to be a good thing.
Okay. That's very good of you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So I hope we are friends now.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. So let me leave you, but you know, prep is over.
I'll be leaving very soon.
Yeah, be in there and you go to your hostel.
Okay.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Good morning, students. Good morning, how are you all? I'm also fine. Thank you. This morning, we are just here for a short. We just want to meet you for a short talk. So, without time wasting, I would love to introduce the headmaster so that the headmaster will address you briefly. Okay? So, clap your hands for the headmaster.
Good morning once again.
Good morning.
I believe you know we have a stranger in our midst. You've been complaining day in and day out, headmaster, we need French teacher, headmaster, we need French teacher. By His grace, you have a French teacher today. By His grace, we've gotten a perfect and a wonderful and of course.
My name is Sir Likee.
Okay.
You can call me. I'm a French teacher. That you can call me Chichili Chichili. I'm just wanna teach you small little song. Vijez-vous, Javi, song, lettre-moi. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, ma soeur. Bonjour, papa. Bonjour, ma chérie, moi. Comment allez-vous?
Messi a coach and quan, Luciano de Amubo. Students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I go sing kwa this year no dear Debbie yo. Messi I go sing kwa this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah.
The man and me impact this year. I could feel brown or mobile. Your back can be our mofa. Your moya or moya. It's 9:40 in the gang. I'm good and you.
Where from?
I'm from Canteen.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, me too. I'm going to Canteen right now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let me give it. Wait, let me give you
some money. Wow. Wow.
Take it.
Really? Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
I can see that the whole school, you were the ones so caring with me.
It's true, but
Okay.
you know.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you.
We'll meet.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Patrick, come.
Come again.
Come.
Anything.
Come.
Okay. Anything matter?
Yes, you have to tuck in.
Ta.
In. Yes.
School and as I have me dinner, say me person me free up for do. When the boys call a ball, a cheesy gun beside and you scared the roll. What I say? I got to name when you say for so quite out because you said that. I saw for our work on phone in your library. I just said, damn it, you remember some trouble.
I think I don't know that I have a problem. I can't even tuck in. Ooh. I can't.
Wait, can I do it for you?
Oh, Sophie, you can do. Yeah, you can do. You, the bag.
Okay.
Oh, Fifi, don't panic, eh?
Okay. I hear you.
Okay. Put it inside. Oh, Fifi, you can touch anything you want, eh? Okay. So let me turn for you.
Okay.
Turn for you. Fifi, you just tell me, eh?
Okay.
So that I will be turn back, eh?
You can turn.
I will turn back.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Take me. Put into the last choco, eh?
It will pain you.
Oh, 15. If you like someone, if you enter against the crowd, you are so happy. Don't worry, eh?
I hear.
Okay.
I hear.
Okay.
Hey, good afternoon. You are star. Blah blah blah. I say, now I'll free by the coin.
Say us, man.
You didn't come out of the I'm wow for brownie. Now say, me person me wouldn't come on as labe.
Subulu say last time na me call.
We are near labe 1 2 3 papa pani I finish you just say.
The entina make a choose any remember because
Hey boy.
Can't you see yourself?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So I pretend to see him. I'm next time. Wow.
Wow.
Me there. If I take him, I don't feel comfortable. I act like Roman father. I am stubborn boy.
No, don't say that.
Okay.
So you can go.
Thank you very much, madam. You are so pretty and so wonderful.
Wow.
Okay, you meet them.
Okay, bye. Patrick. Come.
Anything? Again?
Yes.
Oh,
this
why?
one is too like mentias yakora.
Like how?
The way I was see now, kitty woman.
I told you. That's why. Me too good. And toma, kata so.
That's it. So, anytime be teacher be a catch there. Tuck in. Catch and I'm a mess of mine.
So, me too good. Akata some na. Very good. Very good. Like you so very caring for me, but why? Why is your secret? You tell me.
You're not trying to go. Me point floor about school. I'm an inch man who from down.
Wankasa school mo na wo no. Onya waji so besua de. So je ya besua na kofi ko jimi.
Abo da me be front top today. Wo mo me school 1984 class fie receipt ne paper some je nyina go fie. Omo nya adwuma bi anye. Me school nya de suanti o me wa asa ne ma me so de betu no sa ne ba wo SHS o. Danduru wa. Nambaza yan kori andari. Just man.
No secrets.
No secrets?
Yes. Okay. But the one is I like you.
You like me?
Yes, I like you.
Really?
Yes, I like you.
Hey, sure.
Yes, Patrick, I want to go inside, so you go and take
Okay, but you like me.
I like you.
Madam, you like me.
Yes, I like you.
Wow. My son, my hair. Hey, I'm son. And no one I give me all. I give me all. You see, come on. Like me. You get a chicken for me. Kiss Madame J. I'm also. Let me hide. You like me? One day. I'm not a bad also. You like me. Madame like me. Me too.
Hey.
If you are attending to me to pay, let me your go to me to pay. Hey, Fila.
say we be like them. You no man know what come. Okay, what about from? Tell you what the enamo. Now the enamo. About go forward this school man I was so. Branch this one wanting to this.
Na I hear you.
Hey, what is it? Where am I? Where from seniors? Na say say dia na da bia mo jam adwene ofi. Wo yes where from fanati?
We mu jamu ye nkwa no so nyade. Jamu mu ye nkwa nyade.
That is some said of it. That is update of it. Omo Sunday. Was ya Sunday na go tell service 8 We dey jibi. Okay, ya. Abu adjon.
Money.
I go sing kwa this year no dey debi. Messi I go
Stubborn boys,
yeah, you know him also there. It's money. If I try then agency kabusa na
For that one, I don't know.
So if you don't know, why you follow the mind to come?
Where's the evidence? You are not know the issue. You are follow the issue. Where's the evidence?
The boy is crying and saying that you have collected his money. So give back his money.
So what's the amount you collect?
Yes, you can just say.
What the reason why you collect the 10 cedi? Explain.
Me patroni na say, oyalu oba watutu aguso. Ene e ka chenze taking. But say ka cha so selfless here. Ene ka chenze say, bet na bonus unprescribed bet.
Also above research.
It is who say the bet mama. You bet mama.
Is there any problem?
Yeah, there's a big problem. Charlie, you know you are beautiful. Now let me ask, were you there before Elisa was born?
Before what?
Elisa was born. You know, in the Bible, Elisa is the most beautiful woman. That's why I'm asking. You know what? I won't talk much. You are beautiful.
upon all the girls in this campus, including the female teachers, I choose you over them.
I expect it's one prescribed. Let me tell you.
Give the money back to me.
You don't have any money back to the man. This boy.
School now, we never been seeing you. We never been spinning and cinema. I spinning now to him. What I say? Assistant.
Why you say you are 2 months? You can say you are 2 months. Yes, I
thought you soon when you did and I will tell you assistant never do.
Yes.
The chance I would now buy Muslim from 3.
Yes.
Only 2 men.
The same level.
What by one point I said the chop I
don't know you are what.
You are doing this
because I know you are the right person for me. Right girl. See, I won't say I like you. I want you and I need you.
Are you done?
Listen, you can't just ask me, my Dan, because what I'm saying is important. You need to say something.
You are not what's this? Me pacho. Moye be pen. Ye nearby, who to make us a wine city. Look at this. Ye near shall say to
to continue this behavior in the school.
Anna, Obia, what you are you don't want to.
Our assistant to go. Now headmaster. What's that?
We assistant. We know. And Crown say a floor mass of moon so many pay. Because Pabonation it is one prescribed. And a bet in a service. But who seen as a floor second Kashimon Bass or self-less here? Else I didn't chumo. David Abiscan, that was our
a small dog chain. I know that tone. Your
assistant who can put up.
I need you to live the life with me. Even
okay,
after
Mr.
school.
Man, don't talk much. I'm not interested in you. Okay?
What?
I'm not interested.
Hey, Erica. Erica. Hey. No. This girl, I don't think she understands. What's up, Fakwasi? She doesn't understand what I told her. Still, I'll still catch you somewhere.
What's that about? You're in Farm 3.
And they say, show my way, say, show my when I'm from Fanqued Master. Medium in SPMs on one side. I had to go to my 10 cities. I'll go fresh spare about some duty come out.
Josephine.
Hello, my princess.
Hey, you are not a good friend at all.
Why?
So, what were you doing at the back there?
I was eating myself.
Sewara.
You have to trust me.
But yesterday I was looking for you after preps. I couldn't find you.
Oh, like I was having some chat with my friends. That's why.
Really?
What did you say? Wow, that's when my boss I got it. Oh, yeah, so how was class today? That's when you need to come. That's why I started. Wow, what a tower. So the thing is, full of glass in your body. My site to a campus, I see Frankie school with you. Say, you're in footballers in our campus. Man, I'm not rushing, but no. Oh, you're banana rushing in Paukana, trouble. My site campus, yeah, oh, your baby a calendar. So, no, I need to send about for Sudia and come for them in pay. Maybe I'm casting on the many John Star, baby. But Nina, the Shaman crown, I'm always say gummy. Aye, I'm not what many John fucking what. What I say?
You know what? I have something to discuss with you. Really?
Yeah.
Can tell me.
It's about the school prefect. Yesterday after preps, the boys prefect called me.
Our school prefect?
Yes.
Okay.
And he said what? And he was like, I'm very pretty. And say me like me standing for prefectship or school my be fata me and when you say I mean so that position no crown me say like me pray like
yeah.
To me now I thought say it was just a compliment and all that, but not knowing there's something attached to it.
And when our friend man.
Oh, about I saw need to. You friend be twana is mature.
One person him say school hana me won. Me date. Oh come on. And I'm a guy I mean it's only in our class. Ah, we need no school mu ha.
Guy be.
Makonzi.
Oh my man. Ah, you bu no maskoto. Makonzi so yakro campus ya o.
And you sure say they working or tia eh how?
Makonzi. Odo hu na kan say na ba for say me no wadi community Rebecca. Makonzi so on the ya na ya say no yes ya start on campus ya da bo na e bo ntia o. And oda won ba fa ya na abefa. Ya chama.
Show some motor dibi. Ma show some me.
Yeah, say you know shit you know.
Somebody dey hu mu en. Me
Come on. Eh nana we dem so fa che. O ti da mintimi kan de o kan ye no.
Na ma to achi na me ni bi nkoma so we start bi.
Ohema ye me de. Ye me ne je sem yan kasa koma be pie so. Woni ma di nkomo bira fa ho bet na me hu se me ba be ka kire.
He's interested in me.
Whoa. And how did you tell him?
I said no.
No. Why no?
Josephine, you know I'm too young
you
for
have
that.
To stop that. You have to. Hey, my man can't intro. Asem no crayon to sebi. Hey, school prefect, the whole school prefect. Baba be so open. One penny. When you saw ordinary what to food. On no home of. And you see, be a say, no home of it.
Me Makonzi no me nim so date no. Na wonye be mo fata.
David.
Ye kan me mo betimi amada chi bi. Wetimi ko wanimu a. Makonzi nka ho.
David.
Uhu ofe. Wo animonyam. Wo huninyam. Hwe wanim. Hwe wano.
The color no kwani kumi color hwe.
Wo hia ba mani munyam fosi. Tell
Rich GH hyper. But I be hyper no. What you only say me Makonzi na dey to campus here.
It's na make sure say ye woni pa ni woni mpan.
Te say o bibie bi. Wa che ma ya na rush no. Na no e tie ba wi ya assembly omo rush no.
So
what day?
On so say me rush no.
Me nya ready say me no bia be call ni hu.
School na e buy no. Enye dusua nko a ni promotion.
Really?
Oh say wo bie woni na cause the way na sa
you know you have really shocked me.
Now pe na
twa. Konzi nya bema, wi ni bema.
Eno na me pe, enti me srem. Munja me life for me what.
Eni wi ni.
Na be ya mi nya asem na munya asem nti.
Obiat mi
munja me life for me.
Obiat mi ye campus ai na wi campus ya. Ye kasa kwai master tie. Forget Makonzi na.
No. Da bi unima na ye ni house school ni wo mutimi nya games.
We be ni kin kwa ka no.
Nana, enye game krompo na. Hwe bema.
Na maka chem no mo ye den kra na Makonzi na me pe eti munja me life man why
na so wo
ofe
what's shake me papa dear you know I'm too young for that oh come on you didn't try. Let's go and escort me somewhere. This one dear you know
send your the
threat me watch
hey prefect oh come five
so pe
me some dey me am pe dey
na abai no mpe nipa
na shatami yo
wo ba weti so wo ba ho fefuti obenya be ma papa obetumi aboa nana maminka tinto tata no be bu wetu bia tata ne sai ma omo pressure na be fa
boy me son body me see I was see ogumi no
ya bejina amedwe me ho atumi ababiti ade de ase
je bibi chire ma dwen so
ade ede me kura me ya
kafra Obaji say English na ya na me dwen say ma pass ya me ni agi a me hwi si ha pete no sama pass yo ni de mi na me de nya sa marks no
na de ade
English teacher na na pass me ono na true bi she ho ma me
English teacher
English kwame
princess me tia yi say me class na say smart on my friend me call you see my nya this time hey you shame me
from me results in Germany maths 86 A1 Jaja, mania jama. Okay, how dear?
There is no need. Because me, I'm saying me dear, so yeah.
Oh, daddy.
Princess, hey, Ajabe. How far? Hello. I've been looking for you. How have you been? Oh, really?
On the past, man. Yes. And the dear now, what dear yet now.
Stop it. I'm serious. Stop it.
And I didn't know.
I'll see open me. I know what's three. Many people know what's three.
And Nipa no ace. Say ace na ye no. So fru. Oh, jai, my name, master. Say it's so said you so free phone in the bio. Ade. Dear Tina Beppo. When you be what's all for any more, Haliana?
You just said, dear, my son, I'm a pass you. So I don't know, I'm a max. Okay. It's a few men, one. Minum, school, there's me no bone. Me work as a boy.
Ada, you don't know, did you know since I decided? Oh, na say school at the Obas will be soon.
Oh, sister.
About you guys. Have you gotten your results?
Oh, tell you. You want no. No, me Bonnie. Let me judge him.
And you, yours. I haven't checked yet. Don't worry, I know already. Meaning that you can't trust. Princess, you have to learn. Unim, like you home. And you marry. Yes. Mre, the mommy team about 8 or 8 junction. My gist cry. No, India must see me say, Mamma, 8 and you mre.
The power to me pass was school. To me, one meant yes, Mimi both meant yes. Ha!
I don't even know what to do now. I mean, if the minion
they said, ye pay any say,
what are you trying to say?
May patch the set, Talaso.
Make up pen.
A pen and I there, no lie. Why ya both school? But me at the first. Just a BPR. Ella, many places I'm no come. Many places I'm wait to me. Wait to me. It would mean fat Robber named Tasso.
Wait, you know, there's nothing special about him. Depending where I want to meet in a date.
Maybe it's a general. And so, fatal so. What the time so no.
Into Philip Cratch.
I do
Mama. We trust you.
What do you call Diana?
I did dear care. But don't worry. You be doing come once a minute be meaty. A boy eater. Oh, wait, oh, my gist can cry. Mama, so you say, Mamma say it's itching you. I know, I've seen it. Don't worry, but I will just do later around 8 p.m. By Fasha Wadi, you see, Mamma Sam. She knew. Baby, I'm a level now, my demo con levels now, Metremono. Ube feel you cratching, Bema. Share. But don't worry, later I am with you 8. And then confused. I'll go down.
Levels. You pay for me, because of Max.
We are both.
What's ever be Ella why? Hey, now, Jay, which the other tell me about shopping in our close nana.
You're close.
Hey, Rasta woman.
You're close.
What's ever be
I mean, I would just go and make you show any food.
I
dare say, and I pray I won't cast some mine.
Jane, what should I mean?
They say no. You pay any money. School had a piano no bet me a or piano, but a hair.
To me, from my dream,
now we're summer we lie, but of course. No one knows what one 721. No, no. You're bad.
No, senior. Senior, I have come with the coffee. Ha! Boho! Boho crans and I'm a dry. Boho, no man is with the men. Can it come now?
I'll be also.
Mamma, punish up now. Oh, young one.
Hey, be fast and let's go. Be fast. Hey, be fast and let's go.
Well, I'm coming.
Hey.
Fast.
What is your McCoy?
Yeah, check 1, 2, go feel. Do near side now.
Do in your day.
Check it when you love your by in this car.
Oh, check it so when you love your day.
Get on in answer. As you uncle down here.
And I said, Senior Krawu Kofi.
What's it?
That's a Kofi.
What's saying your board? A jammy man who catch up some me coffee. One a minute, happy. Hey, my friend, reduce. Wash him, it's only me. I knew about Kunto. Hey,
Mammy, I did ask him.
Senior, Jenny Pabbe, I don't know what's who make us no cost Pabbe, but me.
Now, I can't.
Because I'm moving behind it.
Oh, I need to miss Kasa.
what do you mean you catch him say, oh, me, yeah, they miss me coffee. When you make call. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, come on, lie down. Hey, down. Better. Tell on change. More coche. Me boy. What? Okay, uncle. What are you doing to them? Say they are running away.
And it's school money Pabbe one who me kwana. Me kwana.
Come on, get out and go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my friend is just standing here waiting for me. I want.
Come on, move. You came here to learn. Be fast and go. This boy.
Oh, madam. Madam. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
We thank God. I'm also doing better and cool too.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bye, Patrick. Me catch you then kabrefre na be yade mama. Twa no wamba.
Oh.
Makonzi.
Yes. Ozo ye be ma bia me do me pe wasempa.
Oh, hey, my already.
Me do nto.
Me already.
And I be ma bia me need you ho. De me pe bia so de ma me.
True.
But me pe so ya de ma.
Fine. They are there no say nya dey bia like yeah. So me to me nkwa there. I'll make sure say everything will be done for you.
Oh yeah, sure say me can obey.
Me you're more than sure.
Okay.
Please, madam, please, forgive me. I refuse to come to your place. Do you know that I'm Patrick? I'm very busy in this school.
Hey, madam.
That's why.
We all refuse. Just don't be you a movie. Oh, yeah, you're for you. Don't be a movie.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, come on.
How you say? You call me Air Force? Answer. Oh, let me feel. Kick in my foot. Kick in my foot.
Don't say that.
Don't say that. Let me tell you. Please.
Be very careful.
Let me be very careful. Don't make yourself. Please, don't make yourself.
Come on, student. You are insulting your teacher.
Come on, teacher.
Patrick.
You don't take care. I'll do with you, okay?
No. Don't touch me. Come on. Come on.
Madam, no problem.
No. You might touch me. You touch yourself.
Why are you saying pass to your teacher?
This should be. I'm sorry. You don't know the reason why I am behaving like this. That.
Nina say on say the way I won campus yanom na wo ye won nioma no. Ene ndamfofo bia wo de wo ho akobọ mo. Ene nioma am ye wo campus yan mani nje ho.
Emu kano mu di media tag ho akoy say me bad girl be nso me bad girl.
Na just when your hashtag or no. Okay. Facha me. But on say Makonzi is a guy on to rate you that fucking shit and near be like what one wa be general being sorting no. Ye be man on ye say on ya like on Sunday Monday and them in family tinge.
If you see anything else when African red Obama home that person see that far away.
Hey, my friend, what did you say?
I'm talking about. You're sorry. I'm saying you're sorry.
Very careful.
Mimi.
What are you doing?
So do it.
My trouble book. I'll tell me my story.
Do it, fight. Come.
Hey, you are one, okay?
One.
Okay, madam, come
on. Why are you saying all this to your teacher?
My teacher. My phone.
Hey.
As a person,
yeah.
Madam, you know, me, if you talk about my sickness, yeah.
But I call you to work.
Na so mo ye na say when feel mo e fa bibiamba.
Na nye izo. Enye izo so what one ma na akrobia sole aba no abegina so no brofo so ana o te say wo hwe ne din wa bla betimi akontrol na rule no. On say nye possible bad. Waka. No do intimate.
Oh yeah, sure.
Me more than sure. Say me nye spray ma wa me yamo. Me
mama. Oh woman, sometimes maybe every share with them crying. You put me out. No, me, I don't see me. No, ma'am. Oh, woman, now we kick up. But me, please forgive me, Anne.
Mati wasi.
Oh,
you're the one fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
I like you. The whole school. You are the.
I know.
Yes,
too.
better.
I like you too.
Okay, okay, neighbor. Can I hang your bag for you? Okay, put it. The bag. Yeah. Very good. Wow. Me, I am very romantic.
To dance of today. Yes, I don't know why I'm for progress. We are simple. I can be easy. I don't know so child the French.
You kept me waiting.
Oh, sorry.
I've been looking for you the whole day. Where have you been?
Oh, I went out with one of the teachers to get something.
Okay. The money you asked for is complete now.
The money?
The 100 studies, you know, I didn't get all in full, so...
Oh. I don't need it. Yes, I've already done what I wanted to use the money for. Yes.
Hey.
Oh, you are making noise. Why?
As what is that? You two, why are you learning like that? As somebody asks you why you are learning. Money. Hey.
Headmaster will never.
Would you so tired and
It's not tanky, I chew up him to see.
Okay, all come from also there. That's a movement.
Everybody keep quiet. If you're the chair, you won't have so they keep quiet.
Who this was over to let's pass right. And then we can have
Do you know the stress I've gone through just to have this money for you?
But I have already done what I wanted to use the money for. You don't understand.
I had to convince my mom, convince her very hard before I could get the money. You are rejecting the money.
How do I care about that? I asked for a chicken change and then you didn't bring it on time.
Chicken change? Chicken change?
No. 100 cedis is a small money. It's a small money for you to get.
Because I love you. You think it's easy to get 100 cedis? You think so? Okay, fine. Let's forget. Still, you need at least use it and buy provisions.
No, it's okay. I'm okay.
Okay. You need it.
Why? Do you want to twist my arm?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I mean, you need the money. Please.
Okay, you give it to me. Give it to me.
Come on, look at me.
Give it to me.
Please.
Put it inside my hands. I will leave you.
Why are you doing this to me? Have you started seeing other girls or what?
Forget about that one. Give it to me.
Please don't leave. Don't do this to me. I always try all my best to do whatever you want, okay?
Yes, 100 cedis. You want to tear my dress.
Sorry. Oh.
Okay, fine.
Just like that.
What again? I did not come here with you.
I know. Be romantic. Be romantic. At least a peck or a hug.
High school girls and boys. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I coach in Kwa, this year no dear, there be you. Missy, I coach in Kwa, this year no dear, yeah. Students of today, yeah, students of today, yeah. I coach in Kwa, this year no dear, there be you. Missy, I coach in Kwa, this year no dear,
Good morning, class. Good morning. How's everyone? We are fine, sir. How are you? And you? I'm good. I'm good. Be seated.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Yesterday I gave you some homework. So we're gonna check on those ones before starting our today's lesson. Right. So let me start from you. Write bad words. Even though the comparison works, but don't use profane words the next time. But the rest is cool. All right, next. So we started. C'est oui, je vous. Oui, je vous. Ils s'en vont en paix.
Sir, monsieur. I didn't tell you my name, sir. Sir, when I finish.
Madam.
Keep quiet.
A little mistake, you say. And what is this? Dance? Moto? And what is shaking? What's that? This is not an English word. Bring up your palm. Bring up your palm. Oh, the other mistake. Bring it up. Bring it up. You want to teach me what English is and what it's not? Say after me. Sorry, now language good Instagram photori. TikTok vous. Instagram je vous. You know, they kind of one by one. This time you're the children French. I said French. French. I don't know if I should lash you 10 times. Say what? Or make you clean the room 10 times.
Say what's up?
You're asking me what happened. There is probably you have only 2 or 3 somehow correct. But the rest, prank, there is no word in English such as, how is that supposed to be sounded like drunk?
Say no, my parents is telling me.
I gave the homework to you, not to your parents. Bring up your palm.
What are you thinking about?
Sorry, he's running away.
What the hell is this? Kwame Eugene. So tell me what Kwame has to do with Eugene.
Rockstar.
I know who Kwame Eugene is, but this has nothing to do with what we got yesterday. Hey, bring up the palm. You're making fun of me or what?
Rockstar. Say, made the husband to be.
Bring it. Place it on the table.
Keep quiet. Oh, shut up.
Eugene, husband to be.
In your dreams lately.
Yeah, husband to be.
Bring it up again. I'm not done with you.
French in Nigeria this time around. One try. Now one sure French. How them? I don't know what can help you. Okay, never. Oh, sir. That means I tell you what you're not saying. Let me talk to my mistress. I'm not. I know, but tomorrow. Today, I'm just come here and introduce myself. So, clap for me.
Now, play school ban one.
I'm listening to you.
Sorry. It's just, Erica, I'm still on what I told you the other day. And the last time, what I told you. I told you I want you. I need you. I want you to be my girl.
Hello, firstly, our income want to decide. How are you doing?
I'm good. And you?
I'm doing well. So I hope you haven't changed your mind.
I'm so sorry. I'm dating, okay?
You are dating? In this campus or outside?
In this campus, of course.
Really? And who could that lucky guy be?
Can you guess? Fadel. I think
Fadel?
he's in your class.
Oh, yeah, that short, dark guy. Okay.
About the prefect of health.
Nah, I haven't.
Good
afternoon. Where's prefect?
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working towards that.
So don't worry, when it comes to the campaigning, I'll campaign for you. And don't worry, I'll vouch for you.
He's not bad, but see, Fadel does not suit you. You want,
really?
Yes, you want a guy like me. You want a guy like me. Let's see. Just give it a try.
Mr. Gray, I'm so sorry. I'm not interested in you, okay? Just leave me alone.
Erica.
Right now, I have a lesson over there.
Okay,
so
okay, 1 minute.
I'm leaving.
Erica.
I'm going.
This girl is giving me headache.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho identity am for quick keys. Oh yeah, we baby am simple. Aka Beneza. Ono no say so child the French. Nenswanteda. I say we be like gone. The only man we kong kong. On pay wa ba wa phone. Tell we penny. I would do Spanish one and the other one. Hey.
Hey, what's your head? Hey!
Yeah, you know the original.
Young face.
Come here.
So you this guy, who authorized you?
Hey,
Hey! Let me on one. Hey! Oh, it's in Sika can you sir? Hey! Okay, you still they stand there, you still they watch my face, You still they watch my face. Samus! Hey! Samus!
High school girls and boys. Tell them what you're of today. Yeah, we should shake the students of today. Yeah, I put you on this piano.
Fine boy. Let's drink.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm sorry, nice boy.
Yes, actually.
What's your boy?
Nah, it's too.
Are they?
Like, Mishru.
Who's the one I say? Me know you know one of you know. They me know because I don't know show you what's that. Hey.
Senior.
Obi and Yamini and Penamari. One house room.
The sisters are around.
Oh, Charlie, forget your mom. Who's a campus yard day? Obi has some one assembly. Some of you have a Kibian family. Charlie, Abby, and I also. My also, I have a boy. Hey, indeed. Huh? Right. I didn't make that sure.
Take of the day and I said,
I didn't make that move. Right.
Meet me at 9 p.m. behind the glass. I don't make a meet time at 9 p.m. behind the class.
Princess, do you know you are very beautiful? Of all the ladies on campus, you are exceptional.
Thank you.
I really like that. You just turn around, thank you. Yeah, I just want to. Now on the other side.
Forget
this
side. Go ahead and let me go.
Good. Yeah, I like that. In fact, Princess, there's something I want to tell you, but
go ahead.
Okay. Do you know I like you?
I like you too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. I mean, I want you to be my closest friend.
We've spoken about this earlier on.
Medo. Is it me who am me who so.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho identity a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we be baby am simple. Aka Beneza. I don't know so child their French and so on.
Good evening, sister.
Yeah, evening. Let's say.
I told me who you now.
I didn't know my Bejina no matches.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Let me lead the class AV.
No, I'm Bejina no matches. My chance.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. It's about security no around. It's a very risky. Maybe now I will patrol around.
Obey all day. It's me cause I'm trying to Tiana. My catchers won't image na hono ma. Ya menstru. Aden. Onye be mana. Be me. Only me John my ya menstru. So what I say? Me campus ya mze obi enimi. Eno obi aso nim de mitime. It's aden na me John ma usru.
It's not that. But I want to say your form when person anything.
Okay. Oh, they forgetting.
I mean, I love you. Oh, yeah. Is there anything wrong with that?
That's good. Serious, like girlfriends.
Yeah, I want to take you as my serious girlfriend.
It's good.
You know, you giving your heart to guys on campus, they will give you breaking out to Princess. I will never do that to you.
Go straight. You are just dancing around. I don't know.
Didn't tell me my share me one. I didn't tell me can say Brahani and say the way you are on your campus, and the way you are out. Me pure lifestyle. It's me say me no make you friends. Me say you make you friends.
Pay my lifestyle, so pay some make you friends.
Yeah, me say me no make you friends.
Like how? Just friendship.
Just friends.
Just friendship.
Yeah.
So we're only we are here in this dark.
I
want to take you as my serious girlfriend on campus. Real serious. And I will do anything for you.
Yes, like I told you earlier on, friendship is normal, so...
No, not that. Listen, even though after your mother or parents paying your school fees, I'll return it to you. Money is not the problem, Princess.
I'll be crabbing when you are begging say it's not fair.
Come on. It's me can be at your own home. Are they?
I say, I have to wait. Yeah. I'm very scared. Please. Okay, fine. Just friendship.
Yeah.
Fine, Mati. I hear. I'll be your friend.
See, I know what yes is obey my downfall. The cemetery so be a with here piano. Catch him, say Yesika, provisions, then let's measure one cassa. Be a with here piano. Or the catch him, may I am so what you say.
You have nice skin too. Hey, Ajobe, don't worry, it's okay, it's fine.
I said I love you. I'll do anything for you. Ah, princess, I swear. What I can do for you, no man can do for you.
Do you mean like
spare me. Don't pretend you don't know. I mean, me and you.
Jesus is Lord.
I feel like, can I?
Babe.
Mr. John, just friendship, mona. Bibia obeya mami.
Bibia me yama, bibia opebia me yama. Nemo bat. Send the opebia na me yama wa. Me pese me hu se woni sa form once nkwala nketenkete no. Mu jinja on mana se mo ne na baby. So what you say?
Me classmates no. Nah, they are my classmates, so me no one.
Na maka show no. Me pese me hu se oni omu jinja ho.
Complications where there's no idea. Okay, fine, Mati.
I didn't know so new ginger because me dear me pen or moment me and cheddar me pet. So what I say?
Let me warn you. I like you as a friend, but let this be the very last time you ever discuss such filthy, nasty, and disgusting ways with me.
Really?
Or else I will never speak to you in this campus.
Don't worry, everything will be okay.
Leave me alone, don't even touch me again.
Wow. I must win here. Madam, don't tell anyone who your coconut, remember?
So you're madam for. Now maybe form to me ever for money other or for more need to be for madam for. What's be that?
But what I know is just friendship, they say.
Na makachi on me pese me uzo no mu jinja ho. So what you say?
Okay, fine. Mati. But I want to say it's late, please. I'm scared. Can I leave?
Oh, Matiasi. Kona koye de way I.
Okay, fine. Good night.
Okwa no show on see.
Alright.
Okay. Hey, I will form 1 new boy. Me form 2 in one case the way I meet here. Form 3 for Campo, but my mom down. School mama scholarship say. I dear we say me dear mom she make it. Now home to what? Oh, John mobile church the open. Hey,
Students of today.
I'm blunt away, man. She made talent.
Gesta. Aka. You ma who I did. I'm for
Oh, you back prep ya na pie. Ya ko na fe na wo ba. Hey.
You are shouting.
Say you am from na say anything.
It's not my fault.
Hey, trust me. It's not your fault now you say when ya.
Hope you know Joan. That fair girl, you know, nice girl is Joan. Yeah.
Phone to girl no.
Sure, or not. We shared me and then she said some conversation. I went to meet her and she's like you should be friends. Madam.
Friends?
Friends now. You guys are then.
Joanna na no home me bebrebe no. Na wo kwako mama nkasa. Wo so den ya.
No member be. Okay, well, man, sure it's like if I'm a friend, I'll be sponsor me, I'll be talk provisions, books, textbooks, like everything I need on campus. I'll be for me, so I was cool with that.
Just a friend.
Yeah, just friendship.
No, I can't. In some way, you natural.
What's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that? I said, what's wrong with that? Who did Tinaho? Join now, who can watch them? Ganses or more campus and Olu Munidilio. Who they grown at home? But anyway, dear, your phone number for book will grow something. You're calling.
It's on me.
That's you.
We all bounce was about to be marks. Out to be marks. Elani Jenson take me who jatty down or more. Obi a democracy school, some cossia there. Until like, yeah, I'm a friend in Sunday. I want to dress and you. High school girls and boys. Tell them what you're of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, I coach in quadis.
Oh, j'avoue. Oui, comment un peu, comment t'allez-vous comme ça?
C'est like it. It's
true. Let's back to tree. Dear Ella, in fact, in this school, mashallah, you are a decent in the whole school. One, you are a pretty. you get height, you get teeth, you get mouth, and you get okra.
Fia, how's learning going?
Everything is cool.
You sure? So, do you call home?
Yes, Mom even called me yesterday, so
Oh, wow.
I spoke to the whole family.
I see. I miss your brother Eugene.
He's there. He's
Okay.
fine.
That guy is so funny. So, what do you have for me?
I don't have anything.
Come on,
Do
man.
you know the guy called Gray?
Gray, yeah, I know Gray.
I like
Who be BB, but who says see I'm no Casa American French, won't it? But this time around, we're living in scientific world. French take over. Spanish, French. They say want to French, I want to mean France, Abrichimem. They make sure what you say. And they say we have to learn French. But Masha or Mebo, what it? I can't be a mefaso a metro French, you know. But you ask one knows when you
Thank you, sir.
who's when you who's all you believer. But one I say what disgracing about something like you are pretending like a good girl. You are I don't know, I think maybe you are a school girl that you play that way. Okay. Hey, you know something? I like you.
Yeah, he was saying something like he's interested in me and I didn't mind him.
And
I said I'm dating. I told him I'm dating.
you are dating who?
Fadel, of course. You.
Is that all?
Sure.
But something must be done. Something has to be done, Efia.
Something like what?
That
I
guy is
didn't
not.
say anything to him.
And I said, still, something has to be done. Something has to be done. That guy is not to be trusted.
Fadel.
I like you. You're a good girl. I love you.
You like me?
Yeah, I love you.
Asin.
Papa, me pel pa ela. But pa me pel ne me pesa me boa. E ma education no kosoro. Yeah. You see, I'm no kasa Abidjan president. I the letter about. What?
Because of school name.
Because of this school, all because of Okra Utiti.
Me?
Yeah, especially you. Yeah, go. Thank you. Someone they make sure of me. I say go, then you to test. Come on, go. And then to say,
trust me.
Yeah, I do. Okay, it's just that that guy is the girl them sugar himself. Okay.
My fault. You were saying something.
Okay. You know, I had wanted to go and see one of my friends. Okay. Some small in a house. Escort me. No, this is a guy thing. Come on, this is a guy thing. I see you miss your baby.
See, Kakono. Some of them is sure. And you know, I'm just love you. Okay. Are you sure? See, you know, your pombia, metro baby, I'm a walk. Your pombia, be boots, una bit me a fat at the back of song. Yeah, chop on a French and so coso. Swat the metro, nothing. And you see, no dada.
I like you.
Yes, please.
We are sure so open.
Why not?
And I tell me, and yes, a penny tear. Pass na me pass over French. Bisa me too quiet. Bisa me cook robe brace so. Me kaka sa.
French ni bia was lost. J'avoue la paix. Le pot. Comme toi la paix, mi j'avoue. Et je vous godrez. Comment allez-vous quoi comment allez-vous bonjour mes chers bonjour maman bonjour mes chers.
Na me sin no ko. And try a cop prep. O kram so over men hu bi. Nya me kwanam fa books no koye. Ah, me ko check me lines bi ho no.
Line page 1. E bo ba school. Wo di school ha nyina e bobo. Ade. Jem no ko hu makonzi.
Ah, maka chonze sa makonzi mak me no ka say mo makonzi di. Ade.
Ni nyina chese.
Ni nyina me ka kosi nyina no se me boa. Kwan bia me fa so a be pass bia no. I will try.
So like if like what you are saying, one yeah, you see the other side of me, man.
I go do am. I go do pa. I go do am for you.
Juan, who ye bi o. Na ho na sa na dwun ko hia no.
Ko hia madam.
Wadam fo ben.
Unnim no, ade.
Me pese me hu.
Eh, ade school madam fo bia na pese hu na na.
Ai, se me wadam fo nti, se wadam fo bia me hu.
If I no go do, I no go tell you.
Cause me jam ma.
You change blocking. And family sorry full blocking. And fanko blocking.
Yeah.
I go do am for you.
You sure?
Oh, I go do am for you.
If I open my legs where you enter now.
If you are open your leg enter Kulana, they enter Bitokoro, I will do am for you.
And I'll pass.
Oh, you will pass.
The word pass.
If I enter the Tokoro, I will pass.
Then let's talk tomorrow. Yeah, not tonight.
Okay. Good luck.
Oh, any emwa. Why?
Hey, enti mama hu se obi a me kwa ha ana ha. Hey, Juan. Wo di school e bo ho asafo hene wa ha papa. Hey,
be da be sene yam kono kasa na John na kasa. Ade be bia be ko bia na men kraw. Hey. Oh.
Today we are going to continue what we learned yesterday about sense organs. Yesterday I explained to you what is sense organ. Today we are going to continue type of sense organ.
Somebody is sleeping in the class.
Who is sleeping?
Ayuko, come here. Hurry up and come. Hey, Ayuko, where are you coming from?
Madam, hey, we are learning and you are sleeping. Why? Are you hungry? Why? Why are you sleeping? You are passing through some challenges. Okay, you see me after class, okay? Okay, so we have 5 types of sense organ. Stand up. What is eye? Eye. Is the one I'm looking to do. Hey, eye. Sit down.
I'm reaching the town.
And why are you using this place instead of passing through the main school gate? I'm asking you a question.
But I'm not the security man, no one make me do.
Did you take an exit?
We were searching for teacher, but we not get any teacher we will sign the SDA given. With that time we will the hung, we will pass it.
Hey. So you didn't take an exit?
Second type of sense of organ is ear. Ear. I hope you know ear. Ear. Asun. What do we use ear for? For hearing. Clap for him. So we use eyes or eye for sight or seeing, and we use ear for hearing. The second one is nose.
Say.
Everyone.
Did you say hearing or hearing?
Hear. We use it to hearing.
Yes.
Okay, what do we use it for? Wait.
Keep quiet.
For listening something. Okay.
You left without taking an exit. Very good. Instead of you to use the main school gate too, you used here. Good job. Follow me. I said follow me. Why are you standing there and watching me like that? Follow me.
Follow you to Facebook or Instagram.
Let's go to the third type of sense of organ. Nose. Okay, you. What do we use nose for?
The nose enables us to
smell. We use it for smelling. You pass smoke through your nose. Smoking. Yes. But smoke we put it in mouth, not nose.
It passes through your nose.
Okay, you.
Sir, please, we use this for breathing.
For breathing. Clap for her. And clap for him too.
Come, follow me. Quick. You make sure you wig all those portions. Have you finished? Mundo.
Madam, but it's one and
Go and find another one. How can you even tell me this or asking me this? Are you asking me or telling me? You make sure you wig all those portions. Do you hear me? And next time, pass through and inside the wall again. You'll see what I'll do to you. Don't annoy me. You have to make sure you finish this before dining time.
But dining time left like 5 minutes.
Yes, I don't care. So you make sure you do it fast.
The fourth one is skin. I hope we all know skin. Don't we?
We know.
What do we?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you know skin? Do you have skin?
I have body.
You have body,
yes,
but you don't have skin.
Yes.
You know skin? Come. Show her your skin. Yours, yeah. So this one is her skin. So this is skin, okay?
Sir, can I sit down? So,
You can sit down.
What's the difference between skin and body?
Body is your whole body from your head to your toe. You see, from your head to your toe is your body. So your skin is part of your body.
Make sure you are see to it that they've been able to wig all that I'm trying to say. The portion.
Start now. Start. You have less than 5 minutes. You better start. Really? Why are you standing? I don't use your hand or your mouth to use. And how can you jump?
Students of today, gangsta, aka, ejuma ho ayenti amanfo krekre keys. Oya obi baby ama simple, aka beneza. Ono no say so chat the French, and swantera. I say we be like gone. Ti on ma no we